Hi guys, I'm doing this video as a part of a series that I'm doing about my experience at Christ. It's called All About Christ, and I really hope you guys have already watched some videos. This video is about accommodations majorly in and around Christ. So let's get started. So one of the biggest questions that I've gotten till now is about accommodations, about hostels at Christ and all of that. So we will be covering that. Firstly, hostels. So yes, Christ does have hostels for both girls and boys. And the girls hostel is right in front of the campus and the boys hostel same गली में है, थोड़ा सा आगे जाके. So it's pretty accessible, walking distance है from the campus. And when I was there, I lived in the hostel for 1.5 months, and at that point the girls hostel was on the last floor of the main building, but by the time I left they actually constructed a whole new building. So yeah, it is very developing. तो हो सकता है जब तक तुम लोग जाओ तब तक और डेवलपमेंट हो गया हो वहां पर. So keep that in mind. You can check out about the hostels on their website. Facilities में या कहीं पर तो accommodations के बारे में लिखा होगा. So there are different, like they have names of the hostels. So you can check out those and उसका सारा details, pictures, like the rates and everything you will find on the website. So do check that out. It's very good. It's a good option to go for. Spacious होता है, clean होता है, and it's very accessible. Majorly, it is very accessible. So you don't have to worry about your transport and everything on a daily basis. One that. Second, when we move to PGs, first you need to understand the area around, right? So Christ जो campus है वो मरियम नगर में है. When you say मरियम नगर, it's an area which has like वो अपनी बस्ती है, वहां पे क्राइस्ट है. there is a residence, पूरा मतलब it's a residential area, so there are a lot of houses per se, and there is a hospital, a bank, a post office, like the basics all in one place. And when you get out of Mariam, it's the Nandgram road, which is the like another area of its own. Now I won't lie, थोड़ा गांव टाइप का एरिया है वो. वहां पर मतलब it is a little difficult to adjust if you are from a like a metro city, let's just say, because it doesn't look like Delhi NCR, and I won't like sugarcoat it, but it's a fast developing area. So वहां पर, और because Christ की वजह से ना आपको majorly Christ का ही population दिखेगा, but yes of course वहां पे अपने खुद के भी लोग रहते हैं. So coming to PGs, all of these residents, most people have started having PGs in their own houses. You get a lot of options. The best way to find a PG is either contact your seniors and get like numbers from them, or second, एक दो दिन निकाल के मरियम चले जाओ. मरियम इतना बड़ा एरिया नहीं है, एक दिन में you can cover a lot of places. Third important thing to keep in mind is these PGs get filled up very fast. So as soon as अगर आपको एडमिशन ऑलरेडी मिल गया है तो check out these people if you can, if it is accessible for you. एक दिन जाकर आओ it would be the easiest way to look at the PGs, because obviously photos में और वैसे really जाने में दिक्कत हो, मतलब it's a difference. I am from Surat, Gujarat, so I literally booked my PG online and I just took that leap of faith. But अगर accessible है तो हो क्या? That is one. Another, मरियम के अंदर PGs हैं. Similarly, you will find a lot of PGs नंदग्राम में. Now नंदग्राम कैसा एरिया है? नंदग्राम is a whole road. It's an L-shaped road. So तुम्हारा, I'm just doing a lot of actions. I don't know how it's getting recorded, but try to imagine. तुम मरियम से जब बाहर निकलोगे तो there's a straight road. ये पूरे रोड पे there are PGs, there are shops, there are a lot of things. थोड़ा हाईवे टाइप्स का दिखता है वो, but it's not. There is a lot if you like just explore. A lot of street food is there, and काफी चीजें हैं बेसिकली जो एक रोड पे होती है, सब्जी वाला, लाइक फ्रूट्स वाला एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड अगर तुम, इट्स एन एल शेप, तो ये वाला जो रोड है ना, ये पूरा नंदग्राम मार्केट है. सो वहां पर बहुत सारे पीजीज मैंने सुने हैं, देव ओपनड अप लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पीजीज. अगेन दीज वुड बी लाइक एक स्टैंडर्ड जगह होती है वैसे से पीजी में. माई एक्सपीरियंस एट माई पीजी, आई स्टेड इन अ पीजी इन मरियम itself. It was great. वर्मा अंकल नाम है उनका, in case you come across the numbers, I've given it to a lot of juniors. It was a good two sharing PG. We had all the facilities, geyser, AC, fridge, RO and gas stove and everything, whatever you can think of. Eventually मेरे जाते जाते वाईफाई भी लग गया था, and it was pretty decent. I paid 6K for it. By the time I left उसका रेट कुछ 7K हो गया था. So you have to check out with uncle की current rates क्या हैं. But yeah, it is more or less good. यही average आपको हर जगह मिल जाएगा. The rates will go down based on if it is AC or non-AC and the facilities available. So that is more or less about the PGs. अब अगर आप इस एरिया से थोड़ा और दूर जाते हो, so there are two major areas if you need like names. There is Rajnagar. Rajnagar extension is a place where you find a lot of flats. So Rajnagar काफी posh area है of Ghaziabad. So you find a lot of flats to rent, and you can share it with your friends and all of that. A lot of new buildings opening up, so वहाँ पे बड़े आराम से तुम्हें मिल जाएगा. थोड़ा सा expensive होगा. The only major con is that वहाँ से connectivity to college is a little difficult. If you have your own vehicle, well and good, go for the area. But if you don't, तो autos वगैरह का frequency थोड़ा दिक्कत करता है. And usually while that is not an issue, in the morning when you have to reach the college at 8:30, it becomes very hectic sometimes. So like if you have that in mind, या तो किसी ऑटो वाले को तुम रख लो या जो भी है, if that can be figured out, then it's a good area to go for. Second area is Indirapuram. Indirapuram is काफी दूर, अगेन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन इशू है, बट दैट इज ऑल्सो गुड एरिया टू लिव इन. मतलब वहाँ पे जो मेजर, इट्स अ पॉश एरिया इन द सेंस दैट यू गेट ऑल द ब्रांड्स देयर, मॉल्स वगैरह सब कुछ है वहां पर. सो दैट इज अनदर गुड एरिया टू लिव. इंदिरापुरम के आसपास ही आई गेस वैशाली ऐसा कुछ तो भी है, विच आई एम नॉट वेरी फेमिलियर विद. वैशाली इज अ मेट्रो स्टेशन एक्चुअली. सो या, दैट ब्रिंग्स मी नाइसली टू माई नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, विच इज मेट्रोज. मेट्रो, तुम रेड लाइन मेट्रो पे रहोगे, मतलब तुम्हारा मेजर फ्रीक्वेंसी ट्रैवल का रेड लाइन मेट्रो पे रहेगा. द क्लोजेस्ट मेट्रो स्टेशन टू कॉलेज इज शहीद स्थल न्यू बस अड्डा. When there is an app called DMRC for Delhi Metro, download that and you can check distances हर जगह का. It's very accurate, so you can rely on that. Now शहीद स्थल के बाद है शहीद स्थल, हिंडन रिवर, अर्थला, श्याम पार्क, मोहन नगर, all of that. ठीक है, तो another good way of finding a PG is if you're not able to find PG in any of these areas, you can find a PG in like मोहन नगर, let's just say, और अर्थला और श्याम पार्क. कहीं पे ऐसे वर्ड्स गूगल कर लेना, तुम्हें ऐप में सारी लिस्ट मिल जाएगी. बिकॉज द मेट्रो इज वेरी वेल कनेक्टेड. तुम टाइमिंग देख सकते हो, झिलमिल, दिलशाद गार्डन तक भी देख सकते हो, बिकॉज ये सारा कुछ 45 मिनट्स के आसपास है. तो 45 मिनट्स, आधा घंटा अगर तुम रेडी हो सुबह सुबह तैयार, मतलब सुबह सुबह ट्रैवल करने के लिए, तो गुड, वेल एंड गुड. यू कैन फाइंड पीजीज इन दिस रेड लाइन वाला अलग अलग एरियाज ऑल्सो. इसके रेट्स का मुझे ऑनेस्टली इतना आइडिया नहीं है, बिकॉज मैं मरियम के अंदर ही मैंने अपना डिग्री कर लिया. बट या, यू कैन चेक आउट प्लेसेज एंड लाइक गेट एन एवरेज फॉर श्योर. सो दैट इज मोर और लेस अबाउट अकोमोडेशंस. आई गेस इससे ज्यादा मेरे पास और कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन है नहीं. in this video also I want to talk about food, because इसका मैं अलग सा बनाऊंगी तो अजीब लगेगा. तो food के options you have. One, you can always cook. Second and the most easiest is college cafeteria. College cafeteria has quite a few options. एक है सरदार जी, जो मेरे फेवरेट है. सरदार जी के वहां पे काफी सारा you get North Indian food. It's obviously बाहर का खाना, थोड़ा रेस्टोरेंट टाइप का खाना है, तो थोड़ा मतलब वो रहता है. Rates are not college level, मतलब I feel it can be more subsidized, but I think more or less like we got veg thali for 80 and non-veg thali for 100, something like that. हो सकता है अभी तुम जाओ तब थोड़े रेट्स और बढ़े हुए हो, but that is an average. For, and all of this is subsidized if you get a card for like 30 days or something like that. 2 meals, 3 meals, ऐसे अलग अलग options हैं. Now another option है South Indian uncle है वहाँ पे. I never know his name, but वो South Indian खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं. So that is another option. And there is Seoul, कुछ तो भी है वो Seoul types का, उसमें ज़रा फैंसी खाना मिलता है, Chinese and pasta and everything. ये चीज़ें हर जगह मिलती हैं honestly, but yeah. So that is there. Then there is Bites and Brews जहाँ पे fries, ice cream ये सारा मिलता है. Then there is a cafe ऊपर, Sunrise Cafe, जहाँ पे अगेन आपको मोमोज ये वो, सो मतलब हर टाइप का खाना आपको मिलता है. देयर इज फ्रेश इट एरिया इन द कैंपस वेर यू गेट नाइस आइस टी एंड मैगी वगैरह, वहाँ पे भी सारी चीजें मिलती हैं, subs and sandwiches and all of that. There is also CCD on campus, जिसका muffin is really good. Have one from my side whenever you go. I really miss it. I mean CCD मैं यहाँ पे भी खा सकती हूँ, but college वाला satisfaction is different. So obviously all of that plus Swiggy, Zomato, हर चीज का it's very good, very well connected, so you can order in, you can have inside Mariam also काफी सारे लोग टिफिन सर्विसेज करते हैं, तो उसके ना पोस्टर्स लगे हुए रहते हैं whenever you go to Mariam, so you can opt for a tiffin service as well. And what else, there are very nice cafes opening nearby. There is one called Secret Stories or something like that, which is a very nice cafe. I liked it. If you want to give it a try, they don't even know I'm mentioning them here, but okay. So if you want to try it out, I like nice pasta type की चीजें. And yeah, I think that's about it. If you choose to cook, there are nice, it's all well connected. I'm going to make another video on lifestyle. So that is where I'm going to talk about other very basic stuff. So do check that out and give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I just posted, today I posted on my Instagram about a resource giveaway, which I'm going to do when I hit 100 subscribers, which is very, very close. And I know the number sounds less, but it means the world to me and I'm very excited about it. So do subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, bye bye.